Oh, I thought we were doing this. I thought we were doing like a side.
Okay. Perfect. That's our intro.
Yeah.
Okay. Hi.
Hello. And welcome to our paint pour video. I'm here with my friend Mike.
Hello.
We bought some paint. We're gonna mix it up. We're gonna see what our.
We're gonna pour it.
Doesn't take that much skill, but hopefully.
But we could still mess it up. So
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
the fun part, right?
Spicy.
Spicy, dangerous. Oh gosh.
We'll see you on the flip side.
Cue the montage.
Montage.
Wanna be the person that you call up when you're down. Wanna be the first who knows all of your deepest secrets.
Oh.
Drama ensues.
Drama.
It's just like you cleaning them.
It's not coming out.
And I wanna show you something new. You gotta know, every day I got your back, yeah, you can count on me for that. So put your hand in mine, I will be there every day. When you're sick of the climb, I will make sure it's okay. I know you didn't ask for any of this, but we reach for the sky. Pass with flying colors now. Gonna try to keep the pace, but someday we will find that the world has changed, but we stay true to each other. I will always be there for you whenever you need my help. I'm taking my time to be your rock. I don't ever wanna be apart. You gotta know, every day I got your back, yeah, you can count on me for that. So put your hand in mine, I will be there every day. When you're sick of the climb, I will make sure it's okay. I know you didn't ask for any of this, but we reach for the sky. Pass with flying colors now. Show you something new. You gotta know, every day I got your back. Yeah, you can count on me. Yeah. So put your hand in mine, I will be there every day. When you're sick of the climb, I will make sure it's okay. I know you didn't ask for any of this, but we reach for the sky. Pass with flying colors now. Pass with flying colors now. I wanna be close to you. I'm gonna show you something new. I wanna be close to you. I'm gonna show you something new. Taking my time to be your rock. Don't ever wanna be apart. You gotta know.
Finished our paint pour.
Ooh.
Woo! Mike's came out way better than mine.
Oh.
But this thing's kind of like the colors that we went
Right?
for, so it's kind of cute. Next time we'll have a rager. It'll be a spicy noodle challenge. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
It smells like paint.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's how you know it's
Astute
legit.
observation.
Too easy. This
Too
was
easy.
Too
Suspiciously
easy.
easy.
So it won't have audio.
Yeah.
So I can shit talk people
Yeah,
while we're
yeah,
doing
yeah.
this. Okay, perfect. That's gonna be the audio.
I know.